All right, guys, listen to this. So, the owner of this car is a fireman, and his wife is an airline pilot. So, we have a fire engine red Lincoln Aviator. So, I wanted to make this video because the paint is just popping on this car. It's bright red, and they brought it in for a ceramic coating to protect the paint. So, first, we decontaminated the paint, polished the paint, increased the gloss and shine, then installed a permanent lifetime ceramic coating, Opti Coat Pro 3. It's 4 layers of silicone carbide ceramic, not silicone dioxide. This ceramic coating is permanent, lasts the lifetime of the vehicle. It'll never need wax. Look at the gloss and shine of this car. But it's chemical resistant, bird drop resistant. It's just really popping now. Coated the wheels with a ceramic coating so the brake dust will come off easier. But I just can't express to you how awesome this car looks. So she's ready to fly. Got it listed on the vehicle's Carfax report. Give me a call. Let's make an appointment. We'll make yours look this great and keep it that way.